Hey, Lyric. Lyric. What is that? Is that a fidget?
Come here.
Damn, man. We lost by 1.
Lyric. What is that? Look at that. Get it. Hi, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? You can't have this camera. I need to get on there, Corey. I need to get the address, please.
No.
Hi, sweet boy.
Why do you need this? You don't need it. Buying shit. You don't need to keep buying it.
Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Lyric. Hey.
Again?
Corey, stop.
No. It's not fucking fair.
I'm recording, Corey.
Then re-record.
No.
Yes. Re-record. I'm deleting that.
Hey, baby.
Fucking say that you're recording.
And you kept going. No? You want proof? Lyric. Don't listen to him. Press that button. Press that button. Press it. Where are you going? Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Lyric. Where do you think you're going? I see those cheeks. Come here. Is that what Santa got you? Let me see it. Let me see this maracas. It's a mess from all these Christmas presents. All these presents. What are we going to do with it all? Hey, I got your butt. What you got over there? What is this? Give me this. Lyric. Hey, Lyric. Hey. Hey. Sir. Excuse me, sir. Hi.